Siete pronti per la sfida contro la Juve?
Yeah, I think we're ready for the game. We had a good victory last time we played in the league, so we are ready to face the big club Juventus.
Abbiamo saputo che sei un grande tifoso della Juventus. Cosa si prova ad affrontare la squadra per cui si tifa?
Yeah, it's a big dream for me to play against Juventus. It's my favorite team. When I was young, I started to be a fan of Juventus, so it's a special day for me when we are going to play against Juventus, and I hope Buffon is going to play so I can play against him.
Ho visto che hai una collezione di maglie della Juventus, ma ti manca quella di Gigi Buffon. Se dovesse giocare, gliela chiederai?
Yes, that's right. I only have 2 jerseys from the players' jersey, so I hope I can get his jersey after the game.
Da tifoso della Juve conosci i giocatori e la storia di questa squadra. Che impressione ti fa vedere Conte che da capitano è diventato l'allenatore della Juve?
Yes, it's very nice to see that Conte, who was a former player of Juventus, now is the manager, the coach for Juventus, and I think the Juventus spirit is continuing, and they have a special heart and feeling in the club. So that's nice for me to see as a fan, and I know Conte from when he was playing. He was on the midfield and ruling the midfield. So yeah, it's nice to see that they choose their own players who has the Juventus heart.